Good morning, boys and girls. It is time to talk about our calendar time. I would like for everybody to go ahead and check in on the mood meter. It's Friday, and I have a dance party song in the blog for you today. So I think that's going to be fun. So I'm feeling excited for you. I'm kind of in the yellow because I think you're going to have fun today with your lessons and your songs. So pick out where you are on your mood meter. All right, is everybody checked in? Good. And then I put this on here. This is a picture that the kindergarten teachers all made for you. And every teacher got a word, and we made some sentences. So let me read this to you. It says OPES, and that stands for Old Point Elementary School. OPES Kindergarten, we miss you. Know that you are loved. So we wanted to make sure you knew that we love you very much. So we made you a little message. Your parents might have already showed it to you, but I wanted you to have it just in case you hadn't seen it yet. All right, so everybody needs their calendar notebook out with them. So make sure you have that ready to go and a pencil. If you don't have this, go ahead and go grab it. And let's go ahead and start calendar. So yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. It is Cam's birthday. Cam is 6 today. So happy birthday, Cam, if you're watching this. And then next week, we're going to celebrate Tori's birthday. So happy birthday, Cam. All right, let's go ahead and erase this. And we're going to count today and see what the date is. We're all going to count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Today is the 17th. So we are going to write a 17. It's a 1 first, remember, and then the 7. Good. And when you see the 17 down here, after you wrote it on your calendar, you should have it written right in here. Go ahead and try to find the 17 on the chart. When you find it, put your hand on your head. All right, there it is. Let's move it up to here. And now we can say the date together. Ready? Today is Friday, April 17th, 2020. Awesome, and it's about to be the weekend, so I hope you guys have a really nice weekend at home. Maybe you'll get to play outside, maybe you'll watch a movie or play a game, and then I'll see you again Monday for some new lessons, okay? All right, let's talk about the weather. Let's talk about the weather. I'm going to go ahead and check the weather. You should be on your weather graph page. I know it was chilly again, that's for sure. So it looks like it is. It's 38 degrees right now. It is cold, but later it's going to be nice and sunny and 73. So that's going to be nice and warm. But it's sunny, and it is sunny. It looks like it's sunny out my window. So go check outside your window and see what the weather is. And I'm going to go ahead and erase this 4, and I'm going to draw another sunny day on mine because it is sunny. So I'm going to color that in. All right. If it's not sunny at your house, you can pick a different one. Hope it is sunny though. Hope it's a pretty day. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sunny days on our graph because 4 plus 1 makes 5. Good, so that definitely has the most, doesn't it? And then we have partly cloudy has 1, cloudy has 1, and rainy has 1. What's it called when they're all the same? Yep, equal. And then these two are both equal. They both have 0. And they have the least because they have 0. Good job, everyone, on the weather. All right, let's talk about how many days we have left in kindergarten. So we're going to take a day away for today. And now I want you to figure out how many days are left in kindergarten. You should be counting by tens and then by ones. Let's try it together. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. So 32 days left in kindergarten. So we're going to write 32, and we're going to write a 3 for how many tens we have. We have 3 tens. And then we're going to write what? Yep, a 2 because we have 2 ones, and that's how we get 32. You got it? All right, now look at your 10 frame and figure out this one right here. How many more stars do we need to fill up this 10 frame? We have 2. How many more do we need to fill it up? Yep, 8. We need 8 more, and that would be 10. 2 plus 8 is 10. Good job. All right, it's time for our word of the day. Snap word of the day. Yesterday, what was our word of the day? Plant. That's right, it was plant. And I know lots of you have planted a seed. I saw pictures of Jace planting sunflower seeds. So that's exciting. I can't wait to see all y'all's plants when they start to grow. Miss Thompson planted cherry tomato seeds over spring break, and they are starting to sprout and come up out of the dirt. And that was very exciting. When I watered them yesterday, I could see that. And I think some of my pepper plants were growing too. But I'm going to check on those again today. All right, time for our word of the day. Our word today is going to be this. See if you know this word. I don't think we've done this word, but if we have, I'm sorry. And if we have, it's okay to practice again. Does anybody know that word? That says have. Have. Yes. So we are going to talk about the word have. All right, so step 1 of learning a word is to do what? What do? We read it. Everybody read this word. Have. Good. Now let's study it. Let's study what we see. What do we notice? How many vowels does it have? Tell me that first. How many vowels? 2. Good. An A and an E. How many consonants does it have? How many consonants? Yep, 2 consonants. H and V are consonants. Does it have any tall letters? Yes, that H is tall. Does it have any letters with tails? And this E doesn't count. That was just I just accidentally drew a little tail. There we go. So it does not, no tails. How many word parts does have? Have. Just 1. Good. All right. So step 3 is spell it. So everybody spell this word for me. Go ahead and spell it. Let's spell it together. H-A-V-E. Good. All right, now step 4 is write it. Everybody write the word. You should be on the paper in your packet that has a place to do your words and math. So let's write have. Ready? H A V E. That says have. Good. Now we're going to use it. And I am going to write. I already know what I'm going to write. I'm going to write I have 3 chicks. I have 3 chicks. Ready? You're going to write that with me? All right. We need an I first. And what should our I look like? Lowercase or uppercase? Yep, uppercase, because it's the first word of a sentence and it's the word I, now finger space, have, and that's our snap word. So let's write that. I have and then we're not gonna write the number 3, we're gonna write the word for 3. So put a finger space and let's try to write 3. Now at the beginning of 3, I hear that digraph, and what letters say th? Yes, that's T and an H. There's an R, yep. And listen, it says 3. And just like seed yesterday, it makes that E sound. And that was, how many E's was that? Yes, it was 2 E's. And that's how you write 3. I have 3 chicks. So we need a finger space. And chicks has that another digraph at the beginning. The same digraph that's in Chandler and Chapel's name. What is it? Yes, C-H. I. What vowel says I? Like igloo. Yes, that's I. And what do you hear at the end of chicks? It sounds like an X, doesn't it? X says X. So let's write an X. If you hear something else, you can write that too. I have 3 chicks. And then what goes at the end of the sentence? It is a period. That's right. It's not a question mark because it's not a question. Now, if it said, do you have 3 chicks? That would be a question. We would need a question mark. I'm fixing my period. All right, let's read this sentence together, okay? Point to yours and read it with me. I have 3 chicks. Good job, everybody, on your writing. All right, now we're going to do some math, and I'm going to change it just a little bit. We are still going to do subtraction today. And we are going to use, a lot of you had Skittles. Whenever I did that Zoom lesson with you the other day, and you were showing me all your Easter candy, you all had Skittles. So let's draw some Skittles. I'm going to say that, I forget who had all those Skittles. Was it Chapel? I can't remember who it was. Well, we'll just say Chapel. Let's say Chapel had 5 Skittles. So let's draw 5 Skittles. 2, 3, 4, 5. He had 5 Skittles, and guess what he did? Chapel ate 5 Skittles. So what happens if he ate 5 Skittles? How many do we need to mark off? Yeah, all of them. He ate all the Skittles. Now, you guys, how many does he have left? 0. If you have 5 and you eat all 5, you're left with 0. Let's see what that equation looks like when we write that. Let's all write that. Did you draw your picture and mark it off? Okay, now let's write the equation. So we had 5 Skittles, right? And then did we take away or add them? We took away. So what's the symbol for taking away? Yep. And then we took away how many? Yeah, we took away 5. 5 take away 5 equals what? 0. That's right. And that's how that equation looks. When you take all of them away, you get 0. I wanted to show you one where 0 was the answer. I wasn't sure if we had done one like that. Does that make sense? All right, my smarties, you guys did a great job on your calendar all week. I want you to do a good job on your lessons today and keep learning. And then I will see you again for calendar on Monday, okay? Bye, everyone.